Hi there. So, I'm sorry that I didn't make a video last week because I didn't have internet connection because I was at my grandma's house in French. You know what I mean? I say it wrong. In where all the French people live. Uh, I'm sorry, but when I got home, I checked my. Well, I got home yesterday, and I go on my YouTube and blah blah blah. And I have like an inbox thing from a very awesome person, and she or he, I think it's a she, asked me, the person asked me to make a video where I try to sneeze as many times as I can. And I don't know how to do this, but only thing I know is if I fail, I can edit it out because I still don't have an editing program, and I hate stuff up in my nose, and I don't like sneezing. To sneeze, I don't like personally. So this could be very interesting. So I have my pepper thing here, and I'm going to try. I'm so going to kill myself, but I'm going to try. Just for trying, I've done so many silly things that this could be worth. So, I have no idea how you do it. So, right. Is this going to do anything? This. What have I done? I have pepper in my nose, and I don't sneeze, and I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. It burns. Oh my god. It doesn't work. I must be some. Ah, I must be some sick weirdo. I have a lot of pepper in my nose. This is awkward. This. Well, that was a fail. Big time. Oh. Well, yeah, that didn't work. Maybe I did it wrong. I don't know. Well, I'm going to go now. This failed extremely. Pretty sure I did everything wrong, but I have to take the pepper out of my nose, and I'll probably make a video. One more video this today. I have to see it. I think I have to go to the hospital. Okay, bye.